Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all safe at your home. Stay home, stay safe. Today we are going to see about our favorite subject, mathematics for the grade 8. Already we are discussing about the chapter rational numbers. Today we are going to see about 4 basic operations on rational numbers. What we are going to see today? 4 basic operations on rational numbers. What are the 4 basic operations on rational numbers that we already know? What are they? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. What are the 4 basic operations on rational numbers? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. At very first, on the basic operations, we are going to see about addition. In addition, we are going to see 2 different ways. First one, addition of rational numbers with the same denominators and addition of rational numbers with the different denominators. What are the 2 ways that we are going to see today? Addition of rational numbers with the same denominators and addition of rational numbers with the different denominators. First, addition of rational numbers with the same denominators. What is the meaning of that? The rational numbers which have same denominators. How to do that addition? First, add only the numerators of the 2 or more rational numbers. First, what we have to do? We have to add the numerators of the given rational numbers. It may be 2 or more than 2. And write the same denominator. We should not add the denominator, we have to write the same denominator. How to add rational numbers with same denominators? We have to add only the numerators of the rational numbers and write the same denominator. Let me see an example how to add the rational numbers with the same denominator. In this example 1, they have given 3 rational numbers. What are they? Minus 6 by 11, 8 by 11 and minus 12 by 11. All the rational numbers have the same denominator. What is the denominator here? 11. Yes. What we have to do now? First solution. First we have to add all these rational numbers. Next, to add the rational numbers, what we have to do? We have to add only the numerators and we have to put the denominator the same. What are the numerators here? Minus 6, 8 and minus 12. We have to add all those things. We have to consider the number with that symbol also. Minus 6, then plus 8, minus 12. Now, minus 6 plus 8 is 2. 2 minus 12 is minus 10. What is the numerator now? Minus 10. And what is the denominator? Already we have 11. Then finally, what is the answer? Minus 10 by 11. I hope you understand how to add the rational numbers with the same denominator. Next, we are going to see about addition of rational numbers with the different denominators. First, we have to write the given rational numbers in standard form. What is meant by standard form? If the rational number is of the form a by b, then a and b should have the common factor 1 and b should be positive. These are the conditions for the standard form. If the given rational number is not in the standard form, we have to write the given rational numbers in standard form. Next, we have to convert the denominator as common. How we can convert the denominators as common? Yes, we can take LCM for the given denominators and make all the rational numbers as a common denominator. Now add the numerators. What we have to do to add the rational numbers with different denominators? First we have to convert the given rational numbers in standard form. Next we have to convert the given rational numbers with the common denominators by taking the LCM for the denominators. Next add the numerators. Let me see an example how to add the rational numbers with the different denominators. Here in this example, what are the rational numbers given? Minus 5 by 9, minus 4 by 3 and 7 by 12. First, what we have to do? We have to make all the rational numbers in the standard form. Shall we check whether it is in standard form or not? Yes. What the first rational number? Minus 5 by 9. Whether there is a common factor 1 other than that? Is there any number? No. And also in the denominator there is no negative symbol. It is in positive, so minus 5 by 9 is in standard form. What is the next rational number? Minus 4 by 3. It is also in standard form and there is no negative number at the denominator. And what is the next rational number? 7 by 12. Here it is also in standard form because there is no common factor between 7 and 12 and 12 is the positive number. What is the next step? We have to take LCM for the denominators. What are the denominators here? 9, 3 and 12. What is the LCM for 9, 3 and 12? Yes, it is 36. First, what we have to do? We have to convert all these rational numbers to the common denominator. Now, first we are taking the first rational number minus 5 by 9. Which number should be multiplied with 9 to get 36? Yes, it is 4. So, we have to multiply minus 5 by 9 with 4 by 4. It will give minus 5 into 4 is minus 20 and 9 into 4 is 36. What is the next rational number? Minus 4 by 3. What number should be multiplied to get 36 with 3? Yeah, it's 12. We have to multiply by the number 12 by 12. What is minus 4 into 12? It is minus 48. And what is 3 into 12? Yeah, it's 36. Next, we have to convert the rational number 7 by 12 to the common denominator. What number should be multiplied with 12 to get 36? Yeah, it's 3. So when multiplying by 3 by 3, 7 into 3 is equal to 21 and 12 into 3 is equal to 36. Now we have converted all the given rational numbers to the common denominator. Now what is the new rational numbers? The additive inverse of a rational numbers. If it is a positive rational number, just make it as negative. If it is a negative rational number, just make it as positive rational number. So far, we have seen about the first basic operation, addition. In that addition, we have seen how to add the rational numbers with the same denominator and how to add the rational numbers with the different denominators. And we have seen about additive inverse. Next, we are going to see about the second basic operation, subtraction. Subtraction of rational numbers with the same denominators and subtraction of rational numbers with the different denominators. As we have seen how to add the rational numbers with same denominators and rational numbers with different denominators as the same as subtraction. Let us first see how to subtract the rational numbers with the same denominators. Subtract only the numerators of the two or more rational numbers and write the same denominator. What we have to do? Subtract only the numerators of the two or more rational numbers and write the same denominator. As what we have done in the addition, the same we have to do it in subtraction also. Next, we are going to see about subtraction of rational numbers with different denominators. As we have done in the addition, as the same we are going to follow to the subtraction also. Write the given rational numbers in standard form. Next, convert the given rational numbers with a common denominator by taking the LCM for the denominators. And finally, we have to subtract the numerators. What are the steps to subtract the rational numbers with different denominators? Write the given rational numbers in standard form. Convert the given rational numbers with common denominators by taking the LCM for the denominators. And finally, subtract the numerators. And now, subtracting two rational numbers is the same as adding the additive inverse of the second rational number to the first rational number. What we have to do for subtracting two rational numbers is the same as adding the additive inverse of the second rational numbers to the first rational number. Next, we are going to see an example for subtracting the rational numbers. What is the example here? Subtract 9 by 17 from minus 12 by 17. First of all, we have to take the rational number which is after the word from at first. And what is the operation? Subtract. And then we have to take the rest rational number. First, what is the rational number after the word from? Minus 12 by 7. Yes. What is the operation given here? Subtraction. So we have to put minus. What is the remaining rational number? 9 by 17. Yes. We have to do minus 12 by 17 minus 9 by 17. Here the denominators are same. So we can add the numerators. What are the numerators? Minus 12. And what is the operation? Minus. And what is the again numerator? 9. So minus 12 minus 9 divided by, what is the denominator? Common here? 17. Yes. What is minus 12 minus 9? Yeah, it's minus 21. And what is the denominator? 17. And finally, if we subtract 9 by 17 from minus 12 by 17, we get minus 21 by 17. And finally, what we have seen in subtraction? Yes, subtraction of rational numbers with the same numerators and subtraction of rational numbers with the different denominators. And we have seen an example for subtracting the rational numbers. And finally, what we have seen today in this class? We have seen about the basic operations on rational numbers. What we have seen first? Yes, addition. In addition, what we have seen? Addition of rational numbers with same denominators and addition of rational numbers with different denominators and additive inverse. And next operation we have seen about subtraction as the same of addition we have seen in subtraction also. What are the subtraction of rational numbers with the same denominators and subtraction of rational numbers with the different denominators. I hope you have all understand about the topics that we have seen today. Thank you, my dear children.